We're here at the Martin ramp and I lost focus.
This is the Martin parking garage. Oh wow, look what we have here.
We have
vintage elevators that have been modernized.
Wait, look how like one's. Wait, is it just one running
Call
now?
the elevator.
Yeah, I guess it's just one running now.
Look at that. Yeah. Steps. You know what? I think we just missed the vintage elevator.
I don't know.
Look how small it is. All right, go down the basement. And we'll go in on 2.
Going up.
Right now. Nope. It does not work.
There's our friend over there.
And now we'll go down to the Skyway.
See this view? Not really.
Let's go down.
Access to elevator equipment room right there. And there's the way it goes up.
Here's our friend up there. Here are the Skyway.
Floor 2.
Yeah, I think they had 2 elevators and they just took one out.
Yeah, look, they took one out. See? There's no
Yeah, that's like welded shut.
That's it.
All right.